welcome to Cooking with Lauren. I'm Lauren and today we are going to be cooking a lavender shortbread cookie and making peppermint tea. So the theme for today's video is going to be how to bring more relaxing herbs into your diet. I have a master's in nutrition, so I know a few things about nutrition, but also before I got my master's, I didn't really think about herbs and the benefits that they give us, and so we're going to be focusing specifically on relaxing herbs in today's video. So lavender has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine as a calming, relaxing herb, but in more recent years it's been shown in research studies to be very calming and relaxing. And I'll link a great meta-analysis down in the description box so that you can check out more of that literature. And then peppermint has also been shown in a lot of research to be calming and relaxing, and so today we're just going to be making a simple tea out of the peppermint to bring some of those relaxing yet invigorating aspects that peppermint has. So let's get started.
As you can see here, I already have my ingredients for the recipes. This is the peppermint that I'll use for the tea. For the cookies I have vanilla extract, lemon zest, sugar, and lavender in the mortar and pestle. The rest of my sugar in this bowl to get creamed with the butter, and my flour and salt combined. So after making this sugar mixture, I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar together, add in the sugar mixture, vanilla, and my dry ingredients. And while these recipes incorporate calming herbs, the act of baking and making tea can also be relaxing. And despite popular beliefs that emotional eating is bad, it can actually help you sometimes in coping with emotions. There are many different reasons why we eat, and there are actually 9 different types of hunger, one of those being heart hunger, or the desire to eat certain foods for connection and intimacy. Heart hunger can be tricky sometimes because for most of us, emotional eating is not a conscious act, and learning to cope with emotions without food is very, very important. Yet we can tune into our heart hunger and take a few mindful moments to check in on why we have this hunger. If you want to learn more about heart hunger, read Rachel Hartley's blog post that I'll link down in the description box. Now back to the recipe. I kneaded the dough and wrapped it, and now it will go in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Once the dough is chilled, we'll turn the oven on to 325 and we'll get a stable work surface to roll out our dough. And my dough was pretty cold whenever I brought it out, so I did let it come to room temperature a bit. Then I just used this cute little cookie cutter to make shapes and put them all onto my cookie tray. Take the extra dough, roll it out again, make more cookies, get as many cookies as you can because yum! Now, while the cookies chill for 15 minutes in the freezer, we will make the tea. Use a tea kettle to boil water and place 2 teaspoons of loose peppermint tea into your cup. Pour the hot water over the peppermint and steep for 5 minutes, then you can strain and enjoy it. Now we'll put the cookies into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes and just enjoy our tea while we hang out. Once your kitchen smells amazing and the cookies are a little brown around the edges, take them out and let them cool for about 5 minutes before enjoying. The cookies have a bright and floral flavors from the lemon and lavender and pair perfectly with the soothing peppermint tea. The cookies take quite a bit of patience to make, but are so worth it. And the peppermint tea is very, very simple to make and could become part of your daily self-care routine. Hope you enjoyed these recipes and will check out the great resources I linked in the description box. And I'll see you next time on Cooking with Lauren.